SIM4NEXUS contributes to the energy transition and more specifically to the role of biomass. Biomass is not used sustainably at the moment, and it's a very important factor for the energy transition at the moment. Currently, a large share of the renewables is coming from biomass, and in the future the energy transition will also be, or biomass will have a large role in the energy transition towards 2050. Without biomass, it will be much harder to achieve the goals like low carbon economy and resource efficiency, and it will be much more expensive. The challenge of using biomass for energy is to use it in an appropriate way. There are many different types of biomass used in the Netherlands. We have biomass from manure, we have biomass from organic waste, but also from wood pellets. And if biomass is derived from wastewater or manure, for instance, it means we have biogas. Then we would like to replace fossil fuels and transportation, for instance, by this type of biogas and not produce electricity from it.